Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explain. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to report players on Scrabble Go. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Scrabble Go game. Now tap on the team icon. Search for the person that you'd like to report. Now select the user. Tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of player's profile page. To report player on Scrabble Go, tap on the report button. If you are sure, tap on report once again. And this is how you can report player on Scrabble Go. Thanks for watching Gaming Explain. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you're new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.